I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm doing a front porch makeover. This is my front porch, and I've decided to change up a few things, so I thought I'd share them with you. I hope you enjoy. My husband and I decided that we wanted to change the front colour of our door, and we're going to go for a very crisp white. Here my husband is taping things up and getting things prepared. Now we did an undercoat first of all, which is called Dulux Vivid White. This is the entire colour, guys, and we ended up doing 3 coats in total. Completely dry, I wanted to transform the floor as well. Now this is painted concrete, and I decided that I would do a stencil, which I picked up off eBay. This adorable pattern stencil is very popular at the moment. It was completely inexpensive, guys, and I'll leave it linked for you down below. What I did is I just taped up from left to right, and I'm going to go in with a roller and just with a little bit of paint, guys. You're going to roll over the top. The key to remember, guys, when using a stencil on concrete is to make sure that it is secure in place before putting the roller over the top. Here I'm using 2 pieces of masking tape, and I'm just going to peel that off once I have put the paint on top, and then move on to the next piece. Just remember, guys, that if you make an error with this stencil, it's very easy to clean up, providing the paint, of course, is still wet. Just wipe off the design and start again. I continue to add the design all the way across the top row. Guys, I was absolutely loving the result so far, and I'll continue on until the entire area was covered.
could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to.
Can you believe, guys, that I paid just $7.60 with free shipping to my door for this beautiful Moroccan tile stencil? Now this one, guys, is a 20 by 20 centimetre, but they do come in other sizes as well. I'll leave a link for it down below.
Another time, another place, I just know it could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go.
Now I have seen this beautiful stencil done with a white background as well, where you paint the stencil black. This is such a beautiful dramatic effect, but considering that my concrete was already black, that is why I chose to do the tiles white.
Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much
Now while everything was drying, I wanted to give my little tree a DIY. This tree is from Spotlight. It's an artificial tree, guys, but I wanted it to resemble more of an iceberg rose. So all I'm going to do here, guys, is take some Kmart artificial roses and just add them randomly throughout the ball.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you.
Now I also had a ceramic pot that I spray painted black, and I'm going to add the tree inside it. This here, guys, is my wooden wreath that I have on my front door all year round. Now what I'm going to do here today is give it a new lease of life with spraying it with a pop of blue. Now I'm not going to go over the entire wreath in blue, I'm just going to give it a little spray all over. I still want some of that white to come through.
You're like a ghost in my mind, I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause you are like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart.
Guys, I absolutely love how this came. I wanted a really clean line when it came to my front door, so I really love how we painted it white. I feel like it really pops off the rendered wall. I also love that I did this inexpensive DIY tiled floor. I think it looks amazing. I cannot believe that something under $10 could bring such a dramatic effect. I also, off camera, guys, gave it a light coating of a sealer just to make sure that everything stays intact.
'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a
I can't believe the difference, guys, in the change in my front door. White is such a crisp clean colour, and I love how it really goes in with the theme that I'm going for. I have a very Hampton style look to the front of my home, and because I've had a lot of time on my hands, I've been doing a lot of beautiful DIY projects at the front of my house, which I'm going to continue to share with you. Be sure to tap your notification bell, guys, because I've made the most super cute birdhouse for the front of my home, completely inexpensive, and you're not going to believe it, I made it from a garden bucket. So that video will be coming up this week, so be sure to tap your notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video.
Every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.